Hi, I'm Pinkal Gandhi, and today I want to talk a little bit about Sculptra because it's one of the most misunderstood treatments I see in the clinic. Sculptra isn't your typical filler. Instead of adding instant volume, it works by stimulating your body's own collagen production over time. So what that means is the results are gradual, subtle, and very natural looking. You won't walk out looking different overnight, but over the next few months, your skin starts to look firmer, fuller, and more refreshed. I usually recommend Sculptra for patients who are starting to notice volume loss, skin thinning, or just that overall loss of structure that happens with aging. It's also a great option if you are someone who wants to avoid that overfill look and prefers something more regenerative. Of course, it's not for everyone, and that's why a proper consultation is important. My goal is always to guide you towards what is most appropriate for your face. If you have been curious about Sculptra, I'm always happy to have that conversation with you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at our clinic, and I'll be more than happy to provide you with the consultation and information and knowledge that you need. Thanks for watching.